like the ling. Nothing man, well back a thing man, well back a thing. Big man thing, the good thing you want to bring mama. Want it up, one panic now letting go.
Going up on his one, so the video is going to be on dancehall artist Cecile. You can now also add to her title author as she released her new book, which is a children's book based off her daughter's Nana, who always asked about the texture of her hair, and she's explaining to love the texture of her hair and the color of her beautiful melanin skin. Have a listen for yourself.
Guys, it's your girl Cecile, and I have here in my hands. It's actually my second book, but it's the first one that is available. I just got my book. It's called My Hair Story, and it was actually inspired by Nana, who always have a lot of questions about her hair and a lot of hair issues. And I wanted mothers like myself to have something for their daughters to encourage them to love the skin that they're in, to love their hair, to work with it, and just to understand that we're all different. So guys, I wanted to check it out. I wanted to click the link in my bio. It's available digitally as well. Barnes & Noble, Amazon, Book Baby, and I have limited physical copies here in Jamaica. And I will update you as to where you can get them. I am so excited. I haven't shown Nana yet. I'm going to show her soon, and I'll record that as well.